Yo, something a little different today. Definitely a change of scenery. Well, you guys will see in a second. Starting off the day with earn by time. Current rate is gonna be $18 an hour. This first order is gonna be a McDonald's. We'll see if it's even open. That's gonna be another thing. Are these places gonna be open today? We shall see.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Are you using our mobile app today?
Yeah. Thank you. I swear, if we get no tips today, I'm gonna lose my mind. Total for that order was just under $11. Okay, good start. Next up, we got a Taco Bell going. Yeah, we're not doing that one actually. That one is going 8 miles. You are out of your mind. Okay, my dash just ended because they tried to send me across the river. Yeah, we're not doing that today. Yeah, we're not taking this Taco Bell either. What's their obsession with wanting me to go 10 miles? No. Also, I don't even know if I mentioned the mileage on that first order. It was 4.5 miles. Okay, next up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one is $12, going 5 miles.
You clicking in with your app to earn reward. Hi, how can I help you? Okay, we have sent that one out twice now.
Okay.
And this started at 4 o'clock. Can you let DoorDash know that it's been sent out? Because I think everybody's just canceling.
Yeah, I'll figure it out. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, of course, there's somebody waiting here. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I guess I have to contact them because I have nothing else to do. And I'm not on earn by time anymore. So now we are just actually wasting time. Honestly, I might be unassigning it to and not bothering with this because, like I said, I'm not getting paid for this right now. I'm gonna give them 5 minutes. If they don't figure it out by then, I'm just gonna unassign it. I understand your concern. Allow me 2 minutes. We'll look into this quickly. Okay, you got 2 minutes. Brother, I do not have all day. Come on. 30 more seconds. 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are unassigning. Now we wait for the next order to come in. Not one that is 7 miles though. Come on. Okay, I guess I'll take this one. This is a Starbucks, $9, going 4 miles. Okay, so I got half pay out of that, $4.75. Definitely not worth the drive, but at least it's better than nothing. What is this? Wendy's and 7-Eleven, 14 for 7. Nope, we are not driving 7 miles. Starbucks, 14 for 7. No. Like, how many no's do I have to give you? Okay, here we go. We got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $15 for 6 miles, 1 item. We'll do that one. Oh, I just looked at this order. I'm picking up a bouquet of flowers. Today's Valentine's Day, by the way. So, are you dumb? Okay, that may have worked out, but you are still dumb, my guy. They keep trying to give me these really high paying Starbucks orders, but I've got a feeling if that one from earlier was closed, they're probably all closed. And that's why the pay is gonna be so high on these. Okay, we're gonna take a risk on this one. We've got a Seize the Bagel. This one is $21, going 7 miles. Yeah, I know I said I wasn't gonna take 7-mile orders, but there's a ton of food on this one, so could be promising. Now, it would really suck if I drove all this way just to find out it's not open, right? That's gonna be a no. Well, that's unfortunate. And they're still spamming me with Starbucks orders. Okay, here we go then. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway, $15 going 5 miles, only one item, and they just gave me an add-on order for it as well. One more item, I think it said it was $9. Surely we can do better than ordering flowers last minute on Valentine's Day. Like, I know you can't really go out and do much, but come on, we can do better than that. Go build an igloo or something, I don't know. I'll let you guys in on a little secret. For that flower order just then, in the note from customer that I don't see until after I pick it up, by the way, it says, please write a note. Love from Jay. Jay, let's just say, do better. Because what the heck? Okay, I haven't really gotten a good order since the last drop-offs. And it's been like 20 minutes, I'd say. Maybe a little bit less. But I think I might just call it. I wasn't really planning on working a full shift today anyways. I just wanted to hang out in the snow pretty much. So yeah, we're gonna be calling it here. Current time is 7:59. Current total, we are at 56, and we're still waiting on the tips from those last two orders. So I want to say probably close to $70. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.